Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video, I think if I need to light on Dad. It's not enough lights. My phone. Okay. So yeah, my dad made cookies for us. Ooh, the chocolate chip. Nice. Thanks, Dad. Ow. Oh, here's the tasty cookies. So yeah, my mom and dad went to buy what they got. Oh, my cute little doggy. Hi, Peanut. So stop laying on my clothes. Ugh. So yeah, in my living room right now. I know last video I didn't get to show the whole room good. They're detailed because that's when only I did videos without the parents knowing, and then now my dad knows. So yeah, here is my living room. We got my mom and dad. We got, if you can kind of see, is my parents' things. And over there is like, can't see right now, but you'll see. Bum 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 bum. I did all of this. Like, this is detailed, this is two, and this is two. Look, I have all four of these. We have an alligator. Alligator. Here we got another one. Here we got one that stands for Jerry. We got one for another one that stands for Jared. We got one that stands for Mom and my mom. Here we got, what was that? What was that? Oh, scared me. Hang on, I'll get Peanut. Oh god. So yeah, guys, my dog is very, very, very old. Sammy, come on upstairs. He's very old. I have to pick him up. You gotta like pick him up and like drag him. Oh, yeah. And here's my other dog, Sammy. Keep me. Yeah, look at the give it a camera, Sammy. I guess we're going to get some cookies. Alright guys, if you saw my last video, someone mailed themselves here and they jumped out in the bush right there. Oh, my dog wants to go inside. We gotta watch this dog now. He ran off and we couldn't find him. And so we looked on Facebook, found him. Because he ran off. Because there's a house all the way over there. You can kind of see through the trees. There's a house right there. And my dog ran off because my stupid brother. Sorry, I thought I heard a meow. I heard meow. Because my stupid brother wasn't paying attention. Just took food, went upstairs. Didn't do anything. Didn't watch the dog. Didn't know he came in. So yeah, we are outside. If you saw my last video, I did a video outside, and if you saw my last tree, it was much different. But now look at it now, it has leaves. Surprising. It is really cold out here today, and so I don't know, my feet are freezing. I watch the shred. See me, don't go that far. So yeah, here's my truck. My grandma's car. Now it's my dad's. Good turn my phone. And still the things in place. So yeah, here's my whole house. The side is my garden. And you see that little play set? I think I could zoom in. I don't know, because I got this phone. Oh, I can. So you see all the way over there. I move. See that little play set? That play set used to be mine. You see the hammock right there? I'm just messing. I'm sorry. So yeah, we got that hammock a while ago, and like, we use it now a couple of times a day, and a few times we don't. Like, I myself And my doggy seeing me. Me, it's me. Always go in the hammock. I never. Oh, sorry. No one else goes in the hammock unless if we have to move it. Like one time we moved it right there. Then we moved it right there, and there, and there, and there, and there, and there. And then we moved it right here, and then I moved it back over there. And now it's stuck over there. So yeah, and yeah, guys. Come on, Sammy. Come on. Let's go back inside. So yeah, guys, I am going back inside, and I'll see you in a little bit. So hey guys, I'm back in my house. I paused it because I didn't want you to like hear me while I'm talking on my dog. Under a ladder, we go. I'm under a ladder. Dangerous people say that you have bad luck when you do that. But I don't believe in luck. Bad luck, I mean. Oh, I believe in luck. See, I'm like under a ladder. Duh. See, like the ladder stuff. Ladder. So yeah. You see me. So yeah. Oh wait. Hang on, I'm gonna grab some cookies. I'm gonna put my phone like this. No. My right here next to watch. Hey. The wires are hanging on is a toaster. My fancy nice schmancy toaster. I'll be right back. I'm getting my plate and getting my cookies. So yeah, guys. Oh shit, help me. So yeah, guys. In the next video, I'm thinking about doing a prank call to get 25 million likes on this video. Give me 25 million likes or prank call my friend. And what else I'll do if we get 20 million likes on this video, I'll do a cooking show. And then after that, I'm gonna make my specialty, egg and ham sandwich. It's amazing, like outstanding. Good at this. Wait, hang on. So yeah, guys, pretty much, I'm gonna do a prank call with a friend. Then I'm going to do a cooking show about my specialty, my egg and ham sandwich. If you can't see me, sorry, it's just that I don't know what my phone's open because it's the other way around. I'm getting my cookies. My dad makes the best cookies ever. Hair. So pretty much, guys, it's 5 and I took a little nap. So that's why I'm still in pajamas. I'm tired when I did my first video. Check it out in the description below. No, wait, not the description below. But yeah, check it out in the description below. And I will see you guys in a little bit. Hang on. See you guys in a little bit. Shoot. Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry it took me forever because I had to charge my phone and do all this stuff. So I don't want to. What is this? Here's my doggy. Hey guys. Oh hey, every dog is like coming in here, things except for Peanut. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna have to end the video here. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you next.